Hi there, my name is Megan Norris. I'm the undergraduate chair in psychology here at Queen's University. Today, I want to tackle one of the most frequently asked questions that I get, which is, how do I know what I need to take to graduate? To walk through this question, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of our academic calendar. I'm going to share my screen, so just give me a quick moment here. You should now be seeing my screen. If you do a quick Google search for Queen's U academic calendar, this is likely one of the first hits that's going to come up. It is the Queen's Arts and Science academic calendar. All universities have an academic calendar. They all vary by university, and this one is ours. I want to start by taking you on a quick tour through degree programs. So this is where we're going to start. You can also find important dates, holidays, things like that. But let's go in and have a look at degree plans and course lists. I'm going to open this in a new tab so we can move back and forth. You'll notice here that all of the arts and science degree plans are here. So for example, you can see film, you can see history, health. I'm going to focus on the psych plans. If you are in biopsych, you're going to be up here in the BIPS plan. If you are in a psych medial or major, you're going to be down in the P's with psych down here. I want you to notice for all of our plans in psych, we have plans that are entrance before May 2020 and then plans for intake that just happened this year. So if you were admitted this year in 2020 into the second year of the plan, you're going to be following the 2020 academic calendar. So let's take a tour. The way that the academic calendar works is going to be the same no matter which plan that you're following. I'm going to walk through the psych major arts plan, but you can follow the same method for any plan. You're going to notice that the psych major, in this case, in arts, consists of 60 units. How that breaks down is 6 units in Psych 100, which hopefully you've already completed, and you can kind of scratch this off right now and give yourself a little pat on the back and a cheer. Students also have to complete courses in stats, research methods, advanced stats, and then you'll see some courses where there's some options that come into play. Let's take, for example, this unit here, where students need to take 3 units from a list called Psych Cognitive. You might be saying, okay, what is that? If you come back over to the side, we're going to look for psych course lists after May 2020. When you click on that, you're going to see a list called Psych Cognitive, and it's going to give you a list of courses. These courses will fulfill that course requirement that I just showed you in the degree plan overview. Any given year, some courses might be offered or might not. This is where Solace really comes into play. So you're going to use your academic calendar to identify what you need for your degree and what courses could fill that requirement. And then you use Solace in the current timetable to say, okay, what's actually being offered this year that falls into this list. So let's go back and take another quick look back at the requirements. So you'll be able to go through your lists here. And then you'll also have options to take psych at the 300 level or above, in which case that doesn't have to come from a course list. You can just take a psych course at the 300 level or above. Also in the academic calendar, you'll find some important notes. For example, if you're interested in pursuing the thesis, you have to take Psych 302. And depending on the plan, there'll be different notes that are relevant for those students. I'm going to come back to the main page of the academic calendar now. If you're interested in looking at the courses that are offered, you can come look at courses of instruction. Now, this is really important to know. What's going to pop up are all of the courses in the Queen's Library for Arts and Science. Any given year, not all of these courses will be offered. So each year there's a selection of courses that are offered. So you may go through and say, hey, in psych, there's a seminar I really want to take, a 400 level seminar course, and it's not offered this year. That could be the case. So this list of courses of instructions gives you the whole library, but again, it's in Solace in the timetable where you'll be able to see what's actually offered this year. So you're kind of doing a bit of a mapping between your degree plan requirements, Solace, and seeing what's offered and matching that up. There is a tool that makes this really handy. It's called the Academic Advisement Report. If you do a quick Google search for Queens U Academic Advisement Report, it will pop up for you. And it will give you step-by-step instructions for how to run a report in Solace that will pull up your degree requirements and tell you which you've satisfied and which are still outstanding. So this is a really handy tool, but again, I always want to encourage you to double check it back against the academic calendar, because it's that academic calendar that at the end of the day is the record that will be used in evaluating your degree requirements. I hope this is a helpful overview for you and that you're having a great day, and I will see you soon.